Okay, we got more One Piece today. We got episodes 245 through 247. So yes, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Don't forget to like the video and comment as well. I would really appreciate that. Really helps, you know, it's a sacrifice that we need for, you know, the algorithm, our algorithm god, you know? So, but yeah, let's watch. Oh, I cannot imagine how Paulie must feel. You got it. He's got it. He's putting it together. He's got it. He doesn't want to believe it. Yeah, it's a big prank. He just recognized him. Well done. Talk. Everyone's used to hearing the bird. Oh my god, no. Honestly, what a great cover for Lucci with that it makes total sense why he's been... Oh, I love this song. It makes total sense why he's been talking with the bird. Oh! Oh! Finger pistol! That explains the holes on Paulie earlier. The wounds. I was wondering what the hell those were from. Can you imagine being that strong where you could just do that? 6 powers. Aww. Just having flashbacks of all these good moments. He's always commenting. Sorry. That turd. Oh, it's weird seeing them with those personas. What? Oh god. I was gonna say, I was like, is Luffy gonna step in here? Literally? Oh shit! Damn, dude, Lucci wasn't kidding about the whole 6 powers thing. I like that there's no music. Iron Body! Oh, dude, he's just taking it. He just, like, braced himself, and he's just like, bring it on. Oh, damn. Oh, that's cool. All the smoke coming off of him. Shows you how... Oh, shave! Dude, the sound effects. Oh! I mean, he's rubber, though. I don't think finger pistol's gonna work on him. Maybe, I don't know. I mean, there's obviously the blow occurs, but he's definitely not putting any holes in Luffy. Again, I love that there's no sound, like no music. Oh, like I said, no hole, but it definitely still feels it. Yeah. I don't know why that was funny. This is a serious moment, Mike. Shut up. Oh, that's voice acting. He promised, yeah. Hey, Robin! Luffy needs to hear why. I mean, she's how many different people, groups has she jumped to in pursuit of her dream, right? So it makes sense. Wow.
どんな犠牲も厭わない。
平気で仲間を暗殺犯に仕立て上げたのか。願いってのはなんだ。
I mean,
話す必要がないわ。
think about it. She's never called them any of them by their names or whatnot. So has she seen them as friends or just as, has she only seen them as like something to use as a benefit to her? Oh, I still like to believe that Robin is putting up a front here. Robin's hard to read. Chopper. I mean, Aokiji warned them, right? Oh, search for Frankie.
2分よ。
2 minutes? For what?
突然だが、
Ah, that makes sense.
この屋敷は炎に包まれることになっている。炎は有効な手段だ。
Truth. Damn, what a cool group of villains.
それができればの話。
Well, I mean, at least villains to our Straw Hats. I mean, we don't. Again, who knows what.
どうやら俺たちを消す気らしいな。
Now, you know what? I'm gonna categorize them as villains.
ロビンの下船には納得できたのか?
Because they want the Pluton. They want the Pluton, and I wouldn't trust the world government with that.
犯人は海賊なんだ。
I feel like, you know what, honestly, I think this is tough for Robin. I really do, because she won't even look at them. I mean, it's easy to frame the pirates, right? I won't allow it.
さようなら。
I don't think it's not up to you, Luffy.
行かせるな。ニコロビンを。
またどこ行くんだよ。やっと見つけたの。
He won't let her go. Oh, another iron, but I guess they all can do the same shit. I mean, that would hurt a normal person's foot. Nerd. Dude, can you imagine being able to do that? What kind of training would that take? Wow. Oh! It's like a flip book. Luffy's not getting the memo here. Nope, there's the moonwalk. Oh, so okay, it's cool. They all can do the same thing. So they're training. They all learn the 6 powers. Oh no. Oh. This is really cool though. I love the fact that they've had this sort of training. It makes them like super soldiers. Holy shit. I like how he, Kaku changed to just a plain black hat. I like how we're getting like a showcase of all their moves. Oh, damn. Nice. What a block. It's weird someone just calling him Roronoa. Roronoa. See, I don't even say it a lot. No, he's a shipwright. He knows how to do. I'm sure he knows what to do. Oh. I mean, Zora said he never would be defeated again. Robin, you're taking your sweet good old time getting out of here. Robin, no! We're friends! Nice, Zoro. You got your window. Gum Gum Cannonball. Oh no, the finger move. Finger punch, wherever it was called. Pistol. Finger punch. Oh, shit.
ルフィが簡単に捕まった。
行け、ニコロビ。
Dude. Dude, the CP9 is a whole other beast. Oh, that piano. Beautiful. Oh, Robin. Oh. Love that. Beautiful. Oh. What a group of adversaries. I love this.
物心ついた頃より政府のために命を使う覚悟と人体の限界を超えるための訓練
I wonder how long they've been involved, like trained and everything.
人的大義六式
Yes, like I said, I was mentioning like super soldier. Like, yeah, it's like very superhuman abilities. Their strength.
たちとの桁違いの戦闘力の差が
They've basically have just lived at this. Like, this is all they have done. Dude, what the music is doing right now.
だがせっかくだ
Oh,
面白いものを見せようか
that saxophone. What? Oh, what? What is he doing? Uchi? What are you doing? Oh! Excuse me? What? Huh? What? The hell are you? I was gonna say, I was literally got to say, is it what's it called? Zone? Zone type?
猫猫の実
The cat fruit? Holy shit, look at him!
モデルレオパル
The leopard model.
標人間か
Bro,
なんだその
that is so awesome. Oh my god, look how huge. Look how top heavy he is. Okay, I was not expecting Lucci to have a zone type devil fruit. Freaking Lucci, man. I'm impressed his clothes were able to stretch with him.
肉食のゾーン系は凶暴性も増すんだ。
Oh, interesting. Carnivore zone types.
ロギア系ゾーン系パラミシア系得意な能力は数々ある
His hair is beautiful.
自らの身体能力が純粋に強化されるのは力は増幅する
Chopper, you can be that. If you train more.
迫撃においてゾーン系こそが最強の手段そんな化け物の話なんか聞きたくねえ
I wouldn't approach him.
時間が惜しい炎に包まれる前にお前たちの
He was already super strong. Imagine in this form.
暗脚
Oh, damn. Again, who is his tailor? They did a good job, man. That suit stretches right with him. I'm sure Bruce Banner would love to have his tailor. Holy shit, dude. He just, like, took down pretty much the whole building. Oh, Chopper with the save. Oh, but Chopper! Oh, Chopper! What a sacrifice! Oh, no. Dude, he's so big. Holy shit. My god, dude. And the little bird.
少なくとも俺は今までずっとおめえらを仲間だと思う
I liked how when he first transformed, keeping him in like silhouette didn't really kind of like let on what he was doing and what he is. Oh shit! Luffy! Pigeon jerk. Oh. He caught him. Oh, look at that. The claw went right through him. That makes sense. I mean, sharp objects usually work pretty well against Luffy. So, oh. Reminds me, yeah, he's licking it. Well, Chopper did say carnivore. Reminds me, a crocodile hooked them. Oh, damn. Oh no, he's gonna land in the water. Possibly. Alright, so don't fuck with Lucci. Oh, that is amazing. Oh. Dude. I mean, like, they're already so powerful because of their training, you know, with the whole 6 powers thing. Add this to it with him? Like, what do you do? Well, shit. Wow. I hope Chopper's, like, doing alright under that rubble. Ah, shit. Ooh, look at that. Underneath here, in the water. I don't think there's anything you could do to stop this fire. Get down from there. We need Frankie. We need Frankie to save the day. He's a cyborg. Oh, does she know about the blueprints? About the Pluton? Oh, that's pretty cool. Love that. Great shot of them. Oh. Again, great shot of them. Shots like that just, oh, they say so much. So I wonder, like... Oh no, Nami! I was wondering if... what happened to Nami there when Lucci was staring at her. Damn, man. Yeah, I'm curious about, like, you know, Robin. If it's illegal... Jeez. If it's illegal to read the poneglyphs and all that, but I guess because she's working with them, since it's under the down low, they'll allow it. I love that. I love how... So I love how we all individually seen them use these abilities, right? Throughout, before the reveal of them being CP9. Uh-oh. Oh, he's got a mask on. I mean, they can see this. That's recognizable. Oh. Well, say goodbye to them. Oh my god, Frankie. Oh my god, what's the matter? Ah. Oh, they love his story. I love it. Oh, performance. North Wind Chop. No, he's writing a tribute. Dude, Frankie cracks me up. I honestly, like I said, I said it in the last reaction. I want Frankie to join the crew. I hope that's what happens. He's calling him brother. Oh, jeez. What are you sorry for? It's tea. It's supposed to be hot. They're being so nice to him. They're being very gracious hosts. I guess I'm curious if he used that money on himself for him.
の2億は使っちゃったけどな張り倒すぞまあまあそうカッカしちゃいけねえよ
Oh man.
俺だっておめえにそんだけ男を見
Again, I need to listen to the English voice actor
怒り
still.
を収めざるを得ないじゃないあらにうちの部下どもを全滅させてくれやがっててめえら
Oh, now he's all pissed off all of a sudden. He's got a temper. Trying to repair the ship as much as possible. He, you know, it's admirable. Can't let the going merry go.
お互い怒りを鎮め合いそれでわっしょいわっしょいって
You're the one who's all got all angry.
どっこいどっこいだわいな。どっこいどっこいだわいな。
50-50.
お前これから一人
Again, what I like about Frankie's voice, it's not like the other villains we've confronted. Everyone's had very deep voices, right? So I like that this is different.
解体屋になんかなる気はねえ。俺は一味をやめても海賊なんだ。
海賊人
The pirate code.
バカにしてんのかお前は。
He just did it again.
だぐおめえの身の
Who's working the lights?
高潮が来るんだろ。
ああだからさ
Okay, this time it cool off a bit.
みんな助け合わねえとな
I want to see how devastating this Aqua Laguna
これ
is.
から夜中にかけて
Also, is Luffy okay?
ここに置いときゃ安心だ
Oh, that's nice of him.
それより問題なのは年々上がる海の水位の方だ
Oh, gets worse and worse.
裏町はもともと数百年前にあった古い町のその屋上に
I was wondering about that. I remember I mentioned it when we saw Zora go there.
完全に一つの陸の上にあったそうだがほど海に浸かっちゃっ
Wow.
て
So it used to be much lower.
水路に変わった
正確に
This is how it became like Venice.
まだと今ある町もどんどん住めなくなるんだわ。
This is gonna get worse and worse, yeah.
どっかに移り住んじまえばいいじゃねえか。
そう言えるだろう海列車ができたのもほんの十数年前の
Oh, wow. So the sea trade's fairly new. Oh, beautiful.
そんな未来の不安さえ取り除いちまったのが
Reminds me a bit of the
ハッピン
train
グトム
It's Spirited Away.
今じゃログもいらず、誰でも好きな時に海を渡れるんだから。
Oh, well, you don't need a log pose. Okay. That's interesting.
だったのか。
That makes things so much
本当にすげえ
easier.
な海列車ってのは。
Yeah.
ウォーターセブン
What an innovation.
生み出したトムという偉大な
Oh,
船大
now
工
we're
の
hearing
お前
about
な
Tom again.
俺たちはみんな
Oh my god. Oh. He's running from Lucci. Ouch.
兄貴には俺からよろしく言っておく
I'll say hello to bro for ya.
場所は割れた
Dude, I love their outfits. It's so freaking crazy. I love how it just makes them, they all just look like they're flying. I love it. So cool. Was it the moonwalk? Is that what they call it? Alright, so what's the next one? I'm surprised Frankie hasn't offered any sort of expertise. I like how Usopp's nose is even bandaged up. Oop. Ow. Has anyone ever done that? Hammer?
んで
To the
お兄
fingers?
ちゃんよ
It's terrible.
俺は当然また一緒に冒険していつの日か故郷のイーストブル
To
ーへ
where,
帰る
though?
のさ。
Oh, back to East Blue? Go see Kaya?
いや帰れねえよイーストブルーへなんて
Why?
大地遠すぎる
Okay, fair. Yeah, can you leave East Blue? Getting in here was such
さっ
a
きここ
such
で
a
船を
trial.
引き上げるときそいつをよーく見てた
Oh, he knows the ship is fucked. He knows his stuff, so he knows the ship is all jacked up too.
人の部下が黙っちゃい
My 8,000 men.
あるイーストブルーの王者キャプテンウソップ様と俺の勝手で。
うるさいわよ。
Shut up.
ごめんなさい。すみません。
Ah, yeah, see, he sees it.
その船はもうダメだ
Wow.
彼らの査定は正しい。愛を進める。
何をくだらねえこと。
手伝って。
I'll help you demolish. No, he just fought Luffy over this. It's like putting someone out of their misery.
メリゴが俺の船だ。
いや、もうそいつは船じゃねえ。
Damn. Truth hurts, I guess.
だがこの船でイーストブルーへ
The ship ain't gonna make it back to the East Blue.
ほら止めて。
He's trying to save his life, I guess.
次の岸へすらたどり着けねえ。
Basically what they were told.
向こう岸に渡せなくなった船は
Is he actually gonna start demolishing the ship? Holy shit! He's actually doing it! He's killing the Going Merry! Ah! Franklin! Oh, Mary. Nice. Go Usopp. Oh no. Like I said, we all know where Frankie's coming from. We all know he probably means well. But obviously this is tough for Usopp. But it's understandably why it's so tough for him. There's so much, they've been through everything with this ship. There's so much meaning behind it. Look where the ship came from. Look who gave it to them. I get it. It's like losing a loved one. I mean, just look at that spot right there. Look how beat up it is. And like Kaku said, basically the spine is damaged. It's almost broken. Everything is built around that and off of that. I like that touch with the water coming out of the shoe like that. I still haven't gotten my answer about who repaired the ship up in Skypiea. Oh shit. It's definitely probably gonna be something I don't expect. Look at him, he's still trying. He's gonna try to put it back. Ooh, that transition into the piano. This is such an appropriate song for this moment. This has been a really good arc for Usopp, too. I've been enjoying what's going on with him in this one. And doing this while very injured. Wow. Oh no, it's gonna crush him. Wow, dude. You put it the wrong way. And back to hammering. Great voice acting. The sniffling and the breathing and that laughing and everything, killing it. The whispering, oh. He's doing a fantastic job. No, they're moved. Yeah, each wave just damaging it, I guess. Oh boy. Oh shit. You hooligan. Oh. Dude, again, he is killing it. The way that like vibrated in my ears when he did that like quick breathing in and out. This is hard. This is heartbreaking. I was gonna say, I mean, we know that. We know he knows. Why do you think he's been trying so hard? Why do you think he can't let go? Yeah. It reminds me of, like, when you have a pet and your pet's not doing well, your pet's old. starting to get, he or she's starting to get sick, and sometimes, as hard as it is, you gotta do what's best for them, right? If this is what it reminds me of. Like, Usopp is doing everything he can to just keep the ship around, but he knows deep down, like, it's time.
あの日にあったこと本当だと確信したんだ。
That's the analogy I'm making here.
ある夜霧深い月夜の森の中で
Oh, we're getting called back to this.
土を叩く音を聞いたんだ。
Appropriate that I brought this up earlier.
かかったけどそこには確かに誰かいて木槌を叩いてい
It's like it's someone short.
た朝夜が明けた
Unless it's like,
船は下手くそに修繕されていたんだ。
I don't know. Because the old man from GA, like, brought up the fact that, like, did it happen during...
姿を知っていてを加えてたのにメリー号を本来の姿に戻して
was it, like, foggy and all that? Like, they seem like they knew
何もかも不思議だったけど
or had an idea.
なぜか心に残ってる言葉があるんだ。気のせいなのかもわかんない。
See, what I'm struggling with...
大丈夫。
What?
もう少しみんなを運んであげる。
Okay, you got... So what I'm thinking, I'm starting to think that it's not an actual person.
メリー号の化身
I feel that it might be an incarnation of the Mary. What, like the ship's soul? Like the ship has like the ship manifested something? Like it's the Mary itself? Interesting. I was literally leading to something. I'm like, I don't think it was an actual human who did this. Based off everything we know, because they would have been stowed away on the ship, you know what I mean? Like, so the fact that he said, like, an incarnation of the Mary, I'm like, okay. Oh,
なんで
he knows.
クラバウターマンを見たのさ。
Klabautermann?
ラバル
Klabautermann?
クラバウターマン。
Klabautermann.
る伝説の一つだ。
Klabautermann.
本当に大切に乗られた船にのみ宿る妖精。
A fairy that dwells only on a ship.
船の化身だな。手には木槌を持ち、船乗りの
I was expecting fairy. What the fuck? What?
大きく船乗りを助けるというが。
Interesting. I was not expecting this.
大切にされた分だけ。
Klabautermann.
船は船乗りに感謝する。なんとかお前たちを。
Oh, that's really sweet, though. The fact that it
そうやって
shows you how cared for the Mary
人の
was.
姿を借りて現れるほど
Oh,
運んでやりてえクルーにて。
I was gonna say, so literally, it's the going Mary manifesting a physical form, I feel like. Of some way. So that means the Mary heard everything they were saying about it? That one episode when they're talking about fixing the ship and how much they see the ship as family?
あの時俺に話しかけてきたの
It was the Mary who talked to him.
お前だったのか
Listen, that's cheesy as fuck, but I love it. It's so sweet. Not at all what I expected, honestly.
おめえは船の限界を知ってて仲間と大喧嘩したの。
Like, do I like that? Like, I don't know. Like, I don't know. How inept men are. I was gonna be like a. I'm like, it's a little far-fetched. I mean, yeah, but again, this is One Piece. There's so many far-fetched things, so that is not a valid criticism.
バイたちしかいねえだろ。
If anyone has that criticism.
だわいな。
But I do like the idea
上の入り口を使うのに。
that
麦わらを連れてきたの
the,
かもしれ
the
ない。
ship has a spirit.
餌に
Basically.
麦わらたちを呼びつけてたの忘れてた。
来ねえよ
Hey! Oh, don't answer it. Here comes CP9.
おめえ仲間んとこ帰れ。
Go back to your friends, man.
ことも解決してねえし
解決ってなんだ。
Frankie's like, you're being ridiculous.
おめえのためになると思っておら船をぶっ壊してやろうと。余計なことすんなよ。解決してやろうってんだ。
Oh no. This isn't good, obviously.
が大好きで人の姿で現れたほど
She loves you guys so much she appeared in human form.
海の真ん中で沈んじまった日にゃ
That's actually really sweet.
成仏できねえってもんよ。
which makes it more difficult getting rid of the Mary, going Mary.
あってねえだろ。そういう問題だ。わかんねえやつだな。
Oh no! Ouch.
モズ。
Mozu! Who are the other one? I forgot the other one's name. Oh, jeez. Khalifa.
キウイ。
That's right, Kiwi.
お取り込み中
Dude, she's rocking their stockings, by the way.
お嬢さん2人が中へ入れてくれなかったもので
Again, they all look amazing. I love their outfits.
彼らの秘書。
Oh no. Yeah, I'm curious to see how Frankie would fare against them. Of course, that's to be continued. Wow. Dude, again, so much storytelling packed into this arc. It's unbelievable. We're doing 3 episodes, and it's just there's so much that they're feeding us. Like I feel like we're spoiled in this arc so far. This has been absolutely such a treat. Such a damn treat. And one of my biggest questions has been answered about who was repairing the ship, and it was basically the Going Merry themselves repairing itself. Seems like, like to say he was talking about like a ferry, right? And what was it? Klabautermann? Yeah, Klabautermann. And basically, it's funny as I was saying it, I was like, I'm starting to think it's not a human who fixed the ship, and then he's bringing up the fact that he felt like it was like an incarnation of the Going Merry, and basically Frankie confirming that that the ship has felt so cared for and so loved that it has basically manifested itself into essentially a human form to repair itself and to continue to carry them because the ship also loves the crew. Like I said, it's cheesy as hell, but I like it. It's really sweet. It's cute. I like the idea of these ships potentially like having like a spirit themselves. I think that's really neat and really makes the whole idea of the Going Merry being so damaged. It changes things, right? It's like, oh, I don't want the Going, like if something happens to the Going Merry, then obviously like we know it hears everything, and it can't that makes it so much more sad potentially if they have to get rid of the ship. But I like to think that something's going to happen where something's going to happen where the Going Merry is going to continue and be saved. Obviously you have all the drama with Robin, basically telling them like, they can get me what I want. They can make my dreams come true, and I can't get that with all of you. Basically telling them like, you just got me from point A to point B where I needed to, till I'm ready to jump to the next person or persons that can help me get what I want. That's what it's all been about for her. She kind of was upfront about that. They were definitely warned by Akaji, and just the revelation of just like, about their abilities and how strong they are, right? The 6 powers, they're basically superhuman. They've trained to be superhuman. And then the reveal of Lucci, Cat Fruit, being a zone type. And Chopper brought up the fact that it was a carnivore zone type, which they're much more like, I guess he said, like brutal, I think is what he said. And he was just huge. But again, the fact that like we're dealing with essentially like, like I was like super soldiers, like pretty cool stuff, man. I'm excited to watch more. Obviously, I'm very curious to know what's going on with Luffy and Zoro, where they've been stashed away when they got launched away. Obviously, Nami injured as well. We were talking about the Aqua Laguna thing. How the water levels keep getting higher and higher. There used to be a ground to Water 7, where sidewalks. But the city, it seems like every year is getting more submerged in water. So again, add that to, that was really interesting, discovering that the sea train is only about a decade old. No need for log poses to get to Island 9 for the sea train, which is again, a great innovation for travel, in the Grand Line. I'm probably missing more stuff. I'm probably missing more. There was a lot that was going on in this episode, in these 3 episodes. But yeah, wonderful stuff as always. Folks, thanks for hanging out. Thanks for watching One Piece along with me. Stay tuned for the next 3 episodes. We got, what do we got? 248, 249, and, we'll hit, 250. Look at that. That's a big number. That's really cool. And if you want about 10 episodes early, you like full-length reactions, head over to the Patreon. You get 10 episodes, at least 10 episodes ahead of where we are now on the channel on YouTube. So definitely check that out if you're interested in that. It's $5 a month. Link in the description below in the pinned comment. So definitely check that out. There is a 7-day free trial. If you want to sample it, you get 7 days to just, without having to pay. And you can check out every full-length reaction on my channel, including if you like Steven Universe and Regular Show. Those are exclusive to YouTube. Or to YouTube. They're exclusive to Patreon. You can only find those reactions over there on Patreon for Steven Universe and Regular Show. But yeah, everybody, thanks for watching. Thanks for hanging out. I will catch you for the next video. Have a wonderful day. Bye.